Hello everyone, and welcome to Renew, Reuse, Restore. In a moment, I'm going to show you the complete bathroom renovation. But first, when we have a physical problem, we go to the doctor and they examine us, or they may have to x-ray us or do other methods to find out what's inside of our body. Well, when we have a spiritual issue, we have to open the door to our heart and soul. We have to ask God to reveal to us what's inside so we can get to the root of the problem. In Matthew 15, it says, "But what comes out of the mouth proceeds from the heart, and this defiles a person." Jesus was explaining a parable here. He was saying that what's on the inside will come out on the outside. Are you angry, selfish, prideful, or hateful? Or are you joyful, giving, humble, and kind? We spend lots of time in the bathroom eliminating waste and cleaning up ourselves, getting ready on the outside. But what about the time that we spend reflecting on what's on the inside? I encourage you to take time today to read God's Word, read Matthew 15, and reflect on your spiritual issue. This is the bathroom, what it looked like when we purchased the house. You can see there's a full closet straight ahead, and then there's a section over where the opened door is. There's a corner shower to the left, and to the opposite side of the shower is a toilet behind the wall there that you can't see. And then there was a single vanity. But we're going to completely redo this and reconfigure. First thing we did was take down the closet doors and knock down the drywall and the studs that were there. Next, we took the shower door off, and then my husband cut the shower into pieces with a Sawzall. Next, he took the toilet out and then chiseled out the mosaic tiled floor. So our contractors were here today, and this is what they got done. They took out the studs that were there and also all this electrical stuff that was there. And I'm just trying to finish getting this wood floor out, which is very tedious, but we're going to try to reuse some, but you can see where the notches were cut out, so we're going to have to replace some. And then over here, also where this wall was, we'll have to take those out too. I used a crowbar to remove the pieces of wood where the shower wall was going to be. I used a Dremel tool to get out the pieces where the studs were. Then my husband cut the wood out from where the closet was previously so we could use it in the toilet area. So this area here where the closet was is where the double vanity will be going. The shower will be in the same area where it was, but a little bigger, and the toilet will be in the same area but facing a different way. The contractor will finish the removal of the wiring and header. The walls have now gone up for where the toilet area is going to be and the new shower walls. Plumbing is roughed in for our vanity. The contractor has tiled the shower walls And it's our turn to prime the ceiling and the walls. That's what we'll be doing this weekend. The shower is finished, the vanity is installed, and my husband and daughter did a great job with puzzle figuring for the toilet area, and then the contractor installed the wood in that area. Now we're just waiting for the countertops. Everything is now finished in the bathroom except for the flooring. If you'd like to see how I refinished the toilet cabinet and the vanity, you will find links below where the views are listed and where it says more. If you click on more, you can see the links below that. Now I'm going to show you how I finished the floor using water locks. So this is after I took a 320 grit sandpaper over a sanding block by hand, did every single piece. Then I washed the floor, then I did an extra fine steel wool over that, washed it down. You can still see some dark places that there's water there that hasn't dried yet, but everything's prepped now. Tomorrow morning I'm going to take tack cloth to clean it before I do the waterlock semi-gloss. This is after applying the mineral spirits. I'll wait for 30 minutes before applying the water locks, and I'm also going to cover the vent. I've just applied the third coat of water locks to the floor. Mineral spirits between each coat and 24 hours of drying time between each coat. And we're going to come back when it's all dry and see what it looks like. I think the bathroom turned out beautifully. What do you think about the transformation? Let me know if you liked the video by clicking the thumbs up icon below, or you can click on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. Thanks for watching.